Fantastic morning to all. I am Vidanath SP from 5th E. Let us see about pollution. The process of making air, water, land and soil impure by the harmful substance is called pollution. Air pollution. The contamination of air due to harmful substance is called air pollution. The causes of air pollution are the burning of fossil fuels such as coal, oil and gas for energy and transportation. Industry activities such as manufacturing and construction, agricultural practice that involve the use of fertilizers and pesticides, water pollution. The contamination of water due to harmful substance is called water pollution. The causes of water pollution are disposal of chemical and waste, bathing and washing clothes, oil spills and mining. Pollution in the water bodies can harm aquatic plants and animals. Cholera, jaundice are some common diseases spread by drinking contaminated water. Land pollution, the degradation of the earth's surface due to human activities such as industrialization, urbanization and improper waste disposal are known as land pollution. The causes of land pollution are improper disposal of households, overuse of pesticides and fertilizers, deforestation can reduce soil fertility. Noise pollution, the annoying sound that disturb normal functioning of human beings or animals, that is known as noise pollution. The causes of noise pollution are noise of traffic, noise of machines in industries, loudspeaker and music system. Noise pollution may lead to many effects on humans such as hear lossing, high blood pressures and stress. Thank you.